Hey there, it's Sammy here from the Small Urban Greens Homestead, and today we're just going to go around the homestead. I'm going to show you all my fruit trees and the fruit that has developed on them. The first fruit plants are the raspberries, the young berry, and the blueberries. We've just done a nice harvest, and it was the fourth harvest, and you can see over here we have still got loads of blueberries to still pick. And we got these bags to protect them from the chickens because they love blueberries, and also the birds. But we've had a really good year with the blueberries, one of the best years, and that's because if you look at my previous videos, I show you how to fertilize your berries in late winter, or you could even do it if you've not done it in late winter, you can do it in early spring. But we gave the soil a nice upgrade. We literally dug the top layer out and we put some little fertilizer balls there. You can see there's one there, and we put it with spag moss, covered it with mulch, and then about, I say, a month after that, we gave it a good liquid fertilizer, and it's the best results we've seen. So now that it's been nearly 2 months, it is time to give it another refresh. We do the same method, and then 2 weeks after that, I will give them some more liquid fertilizer. We swing over here, and we've got our fig Adam, and the fig Adam was small when we got it last year, and this is the first summer we've had it. You can just see that it's just doing amazing. So we gave it a little bit of a trim, and new branches have grown. And just a quick tip here, figs will not grow on your old branches. That's why it's important to also give it a trim, but it will branch out with new stems, and that's where the figs will start growing. But these are small little figs, and can't wait for them to ripen. I will be covering them with the same little bags like this soon. Let me show you. We have the Cora orange tree, and this is also the very first time we are growing this. We got this plant when it was very small, and it was in January. So now it is the end of November, and we've got, I think it's 3 oranges on this Cora tree, and we've got new growth. So it's doing very, very well, and I can't wait to taste these. I'm going to go over here, and we've got the star of the homestead, which is the nectarines. So the nectarine tree is the very first tree to give us fruits. It flowers first, and in late winter it's full of flowers, and then early spring it's already giving us all these fruits. And we've already put bags on most of them. They're still very small, but they are very small nectarines. They call it the Alpine, and you can see that I've actually got it in these big pots, and they're doing very well. So this is the 3rd year we've got this tree, and then this will be the 3rd year. We also got the plum tree, and the 1st year we are getting any plums. So we've got 6 little plums. They're still very small. There's another one there, and then I think there's another one there. So that is exciting, because next year I know that it will perform even better. Now, over here we have 2 pomegranate trees. Last year we didn't get anything off of this tree, and we got 1 pomegranate from this tree. This year, as I said, did my research, gave it more than 100% TLC. And besides the beautiful growth that's still happening on this tree, we have 2 pomegranates there. Don't know if you can see there, and 1 over here. They look absolutely amazing, and I did not even hand pollinate them. I actually pollinated one that was down here and it fell off, but we have 3 on this tree. And then you swing around here and look at this. There's one that's just taken here. It's 2. That's 3. There's 4. So this pomegranate tree is absolutely showing off this year, and I'm speechless. Absolutely amazing. We come down here and we've got a beautiful banana tree. Not sure if we will get bananas. We are in Johannesburg, Eastleigh area. Not really sure if any bananas grow in this area, but we'll just see. And then over here we have the Guava vine, and as I mentioned, this area doesn't really get exposed with too much sun, and we put the Guava vine here. It was literally that small, and it's just taken over this whole trellis. Still loads to grow, just to cover the water tank. And we've got some fruit, very small. And then on this side we've got a guava villa, so I will be trying to box this to make it a little bit more prettier, and so that the soil doesn't keep washing out. But you can see that it is pretty happy here. I just need to control it, and I'm waiting for it to flower and hoping it does flower one day. And then the last tree that I have with fruit is the fig tree. So this is a different variety to the one that I have in a pot. This one is small little black figs. They stay this size. They stay very small, but they turn like a deep black purple color, and inside it's dark purple, and it's absolutely amazing. They are doing better than they were doing last year. So we've got two of these trees in the ground, and this is the one, and this is the second one. And I'm very happy with the results on these fig trees. It's just bursting with so many figs. I do have fig cuttings that are busy growing in pots, and they are the bigger figs. So we've got the big, I think it's called Geneva. It's a big fig that is green, and it is white on the inside. Then I've got another one that's green, but it is pink on the inside. So 2 different varieties, bigger figs, and I look forward to growing them in the pot. And that's about it, growing on the fruit trees for now. So I hope you guys enjoyed the little tour and checking what we've got growing at the homestead. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.